Australian banks have granted $700 million in loans to small and medium-sized businesses during the coronavirus pandemic, while they're waiting for the JobKeeper payments to come through. But government MPs have been receiving complaints from business owners that banks have been difficult to contact and slow to approve emergency support. Sky News understands a call between the bank bosses and the Treasurer was cordial, where they agreed to set up dedicated hotlines for businesses to fast-track applications relating to JobKeeper. But it didn't stop this rebuke from the Prime Minister.
It's important the banks stay up to the mark here. I am concerned at the increasing number of stories we're getting, and those issues I'm sure are being raised directly with the banks. But we need those turnaround times to improve when these banks know their customers.
The number one business lender in Australia is the National Australia Bank. The bank was unable to provide Sky News an estimate of the value of the loans they've supported, but said they've engaged 350 support staff. CBA confirmed they've approved $340 million in loans for small businesses. The banks have gone from public enemy number one after the Banking Royal Commission to being a key part of the government's response to the economic fallout from the coronavirus pandemic. From the early days when they were pressured to pass on the full interest rate cut when the RBA made its out-of-cycle decision, to when they were part of the government announcement to pass on those loan deferrals to small and medium-sized businesses. This is the first time we've seen a public strain in the relationship between the government and the banks during the coronavirus pandemic.